people who went to elite wilderness survival schools, what is the one rule they taught you that sounds completely fake but will actually save your life? If you are hopelessly lost in a freezing forest at night and running out of time, you should completely stop looking for wood and go look for a massive pile of dead dry leaves instead. When I was stuck in a sudden blizzard during a training exercise, the instructor forced us to bury ourselves completely under a 3-foot pile of leaves rather than trying to build a shelter. It felt completely ridiculous, but dry leaves trap thousands of tiny pockets of air just like high-end fiberglass home insulation. My body heat warmed up the trapped air within 10 minutes, and I slept completely warm through a sub-zero night while the wind screamed right above my head.